Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And this video is completely dedicated to all brand smartphone like Xiaomi, Vivo, Realme, MI. Every brand's phone can be unlocked with the help of this video. Okay. And this method is recently using by the every service center to unlock your smartphone, because this method is very useful. Because in this method you are not going to losing any data of your smartphone, and you don't need any computer application, and you don't need to go any service center, and you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. By the sitting at home, you can also unlock your smartphone within few minutes. Okay. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end and follow the every step properly what I'm going to give you in this video. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. And before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to also take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30% charge. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. And one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then take help of my upcoming videos, or you must also take help of my older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next videos further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by learning the method mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network should be closed. So now you can see my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly I will have to switch off my all the network, and for this simply I will have to slide my phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of an airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. Now I'm going to activate this. Now after activating this, you can see here my phone's all network are now switched off. Now after this, simply I will have to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing I will have to do with my smartphone. So main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed down, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center, every brand service center, to close the background running application when your phone is locked. And these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. And I'm going to give you a recent secret code to close the background running application, and this secret code helps you to close the background running application. It means it's okay. Otherwise you can also take help of my upcoming videos to recent closing running application security code, because this security code is most important to close background running application. And if your phone's background running application are not closed, it means your phone is not going to unlock with the help of any videos. Okay, so how will you feed this secret code? So simply you can see here, after sliding your phone upside, you will get an option of an emergency SOS or emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now after this, simply you will have to dial here a secret code to close the running application. And recent secret code what I am going to give you, I am going to type here *222, then *35698, then *000, then #. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application, my friend. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After calling on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. After this, simply you will have to clear this secret code. Now a code I am going to give you, this is a USSD code to reach to the master unlocking method or engineers mode. Okay, and this USSD code is *#899 then #. mark this number star hash 899 and hash. After feeding this number, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and this page name is after sales page. You can see here. Now after this, simply you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. So simply you will have to go with this software version option, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is software version page, and you will also get an option of a model number, your phone's model number. That's model number is RMX3471. So you don't have to go with this option. You can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, and if your phone Android version is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to simply click on this Android version 12 option 12 time. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, it means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 time rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option above the software version. You can see here. After this, simply you will have to go with this option, manual test option, and after clicking on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is your phone's engineers mode option. You don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side until you reach to the option of others. Now you can see here at the end of the slide, other option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here. Now you can see here at the 4th number, option is showing here main board version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board version or database version 11 times rapidly like this. I'm going to do here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. After completing this step, you can see here there is another option of a read write important lock test at the 2nd number. Okay, now after this, you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. At the 2nd time you will have to cancel here, and the 3rd time you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK option, and when you will go with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now after this, you can see here there is an option of a key status option at the third number. You can see here. Now after this, you will have to go with this key status option, and when you will click on this key status option, now you can see here all the status are showing here passed in form of passed. You can see here all the status is showing passed. This is RMPB key is passed, sorter key is passed, IFAA key is passed, crypto key is passed, and all the keys which is locked due to forgotten your password. Okay, all the status are passed. It means your phone is now ready to go to unlock your smartphone. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and after going to the back button, now very last step I am going to give you. Simply you will have to slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging option, and you can see here there are also lots of options on this page. Okay, now after this, simply you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. So simply you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option. Okay, but don't worry at all the option is showing here operation not started. You can see here you will have to simply start this operation by clicking on these options. So simply you will have to click here on this option. Now you can see test has been started, but a single test passed failed message has been appeared. Second option is test started and test failed. The third option test started and the test passed message has been appeared on the third option. It means the phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now simply I will have to go with the home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here on the home button. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked. It means this method really works. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues, which type of issues you are facing with your smartphone. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.